Welcome to WebUI. I'm Dan Lester Zapatero, founder of WebUI. If you're new here, WebUI is all about transforming ideas into digital experience that makes a lasting impact. We specialize in custom logos, website designs, and UI/UX designs that focus on simplicity, elegance, and the most important is usability. Whether you're a small business owner looking in establishment your brand or a growing company in needed a website overhaul, we got you covered. Our philosophy is simple. We bring together creativity and functionality to build designs that not only look good but work effectively. We're covering everything from your business needs a custom logo to the ins and outs of great UI/UX designs. So if you ever wonder how professional designs can help your business stand out, you're in the right place.